Welcome to my channel. Every September, Apple's new iPhones dominate tech headlines, but 2025 could see one of the most significant advancements in recent years. Leaks suggest radical design changes and an improved selfie camera. For customers, though, the main question is how the impending iPhone 17 Pro stands up versus its bigger sister, the iPhone 17 Pro Max. The iPhone 17 Pro is believed to have a 6.3-inch screen, while the Pro Max will likely have a 6.9-inch display. The front camera on the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max might increase to 24 megapixels. All three rear cameras, wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto, might use 48 MP sensors. Other anticipated camera features include 8K video recording, dual video mode, and a mechanical aperture for improved low light and portrait photography. Under the hood, both phones should use Apple's A19 Pro processor and up to 12 GB of RAM. iPhone 17 Air expected specifications. A recent report suggests that the company is working on an AI-powered battery. So, bottom line here, the iPhone 17 leaks are tantalizing, exciting, and just a bit over the top if you ask me. But aren't they always? What do you guys think? Are you ready to toss your old phone into the upgrade fountain? Let me know in the comments below what features you wish to see in the iPhone 17. And hey, if you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe for all the latest gadget goodies. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Now let's talk display. The iPhone 17 has an insane 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR display. Yes, you heard that right. It's brighter, sharper, and, oh boy, watching Netflix on this thing? Pure bliss. We're talking about 2796 x 1290 resolution with ProMotion technology for buttery smooth scrolling. You're gonna feel like you're in the movie. Honestly, I can't even go back to my old phone. Don't sleep on the new video capabilities either. 4K video recording at 60 FPS is gonna elevate your vlogging game, and with cinematic mode, you'll look like you just walked off a Hollywood set. Catch you later, tech fam. Stay curious and keep your eyes peeled for more leaks, because in the world of Apple, you never know what's coming next. Thanks for hanging out with me today. Until next time, keep it techy and stay fabulous. Peace out.